Is your BMW car alarm randomly going off? The most common culprits are faulty door or hood switches or the interior motion sensor. Start by checking the door and hood switches for corrosion, misalignment, or loose wiring. These switches should register 12 volts when closed, so use a multimeter to check for continuity. For the interior motion sensor, consider if vibrations, pets, or loose items inside the car could be triggering it. If you've recently installed aftermarket LED bulbs or other electronics, electrical interference could also be the cause. Use an OBD2 scanner like Foxwell or Carly to check for error codes. Common ones include B205 for the hood switch or A055 for the interior sensor. Once you've identified the likely cause, here's how to fix it. For faulty switches, cleaning, realigning, or replacing the switch may solve the problem. If it's the interior motion sensor, ensure the cabin is free of items that could cause false triggers. A coding reset is often necessary, especially after replacing parts or identifying error codes, while a temporary fix can be disconnecting the battery for 10 to 15 minutes. A proper reset requires reprogramming the body control module using tools like ISTA-D or InPay software. This should ideally be done by a BMW dealership to avoid voiding warranties. BMW's connected drive platform is also incorporating AI-based diagnostics that can auto-calibrate alarms in newer models.